dive into the virtual world with our high-quality 3D model of the legendary Lowe Fishing Machine 1775 WT. Meticulously designed in Blender, this virtual fishing boat is an exact and optimized replica, ready to take your video game projects or visualizations to the next level. We paid special attention to every detail to ensure maximum fidelity, unrivaled authenticity. Recreated with millimeter precision, every line and contour of the Fishing Machine 1775 WT comes to life, guaranteeing a faithful representation of reality. Game-ready optimization. At just 171K faces, this model is perfectly balanced to deliver exceptional performance without sacrificing visual quality, making it ideal for modern game engines. Immaculate topology. Forget about shading issues and artifacts. Our model is built with clean geometry and no gons, ensuring smooth deformations and seamless integration into any scene. Next-gen PBR materials. All materials are PBR, physically based rendering, providing stunning realism with accurate surface textures and reflections that capture light naturally. The boat's carb paint is not only realistic, but proudly displays the complete Lowe corporate identity, just as you'd see in real life. Maximum detail. The powerful Mercury 115 engine has been modeled with an exceptional level of detail, and each individual mesh has been assigned its own material, facilitating customization and editing, trailer included. The adventure doesn't end on the water. A detailed trailer is also included, conveniently organized in its own folder for easy project management. This isn't just a 3D model. It's a statement of quality and realism. Ideal for video game developers. Add a top-tier fishing vehicle to your simulator or open-world game. Architectural and product visualizations. Integrate this boat into port, lake, or exhibition scenes. Animation and rendering. Create photorealistic renders with ease.